Hello, my name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes. And a question that I get a lot is how long should a bathroom renovation take? So I'm going to talk about that and explain a little bit about that for you today. So of course, it all depends on the size of the bathroom. Typically, if you have a small to medium sized bathroom, it should take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. And I'm talking maybe a guest bathroom, something like that, which is typical. But if you have a, pretty good size, large size master bathroom, we typically can always finish those in about 4 or 5 weeks. Now, of course, there's variables in there depending on how much work is going to be done. If you're not just changing tiles, flooring, vanities, and you're actually making doorways bigger, shifting things around, maybe taking out a tub and making a huge shower. Of course, that's going to make for a little bit extra time on the timeline. But generally in our company, it takes anywhere from 4 to 5 weeks to complete the whole construction process in a bathroom once construction actually starts. There is a few things that need to happen prior to the construction, which can take a few weeks, which is the procurement of your materials. And then of course, the whole design process generally takes a couple of weeks because most of the time there's some back and forth there when it comes to once we pick the materials and I actually do the rendering on the bathroom. Most of the time we go back and forth a couple times with maybe making adjustments on the vanity, or you want to change a cabinet, or you liked a tile when we shopped for it, but then you're like, no, when I see it in the rendering, I don't like it. So I always like to say there's about a 2-week timeline for the design there. And once construction starts, it should generally be completed within, like I said, about 4 or 5 weeks. So that's our timelines with NG Platinum Homes. And I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I have for today. Thank you.